Hello everybody and happy Halloween! Are you looking for an easy, quick, and simple way to do your makeup this Halloween and something that you could just throw together that you have already or be able to just go buy one product? Yep, just one, because I'm pretty sure you have the rest of them already in your makeup bag. So let's get started on today's tutorial. I will be showing you how you can create this simple look of a scarecrow with just some simple things that you have already in your makeup bag. Sounds too good to be true? I think not. Let's get started on today's video. Also, make sure you give me a good thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see more fun tutorials like this from me at Wild Cactus Weddings. So let's get started.
All right, we're going to be starting out with these two products, two of my favorite. We're going to be starting with the cream orange foundation. So of course we're going to be using this a lot for the look because, you know, every scarecrow has to have some orange. And making sure that you already have your foundation, your eyebrows, and your mascara on. We're going to be starting by creating a little bit more of a bolder orange eyeshadow, taking that from the outer edges and blending it all the way to the top and onto the corners of our eyelid. Once we are done with that, we'll be moving down to a little bit more of the corners and underneath our eyes as well. Make sure, just a tip for when you're doing this, to tap the product onto your skin so that you can get a nice even blend and you don't have any harsh lines. Moving on to our cheeks, we're going to be doing a fun little smile at ourselves in the mirror so we can get those nice and plump cheeks. And starting from there, blending it out and up. A good stopping point would be about your eyebrows when you come down, and making sure you also get enough product on your brush so that that color is really bold and that you have that pop of orange for the rest of the evening, so your makeup's not wearing off or you can't tell that it's not super orange. So after you have those cheeks done, make sure that you move on to your nose. This one is going to be creating a teardrop effect. Another tip is if you take your brush and turn it sideways, you can really create that thin line that you need up towards the top. Now, after of course it's dry, we'll be moving on to lips. Of course, I linked this product in the description below. It's going to be a beautiful orange matte look that we're going to be creating with the lips today, making sure that that product also is dry before moving on to eyeliner. Now we take our eyeliner. This is going to be a liquid eyeliner, and we're going to trace the nose outline in that teardrop shape again. Of course, taking any leftover product that we may smudge and wiping it away. And then this one, we're going to just take the point of the product and make these cute little freckles all across our nose and cheek. Now for the next step, we're going to make a little smile line and taking it and creating these cute little hatch stitch marks on both sides. And to finish the look, of course, we have to have a cross stitch up at the top as well. And there you go. Now, of course, we need a hat. But without a hat, we need to fix our hair. So we're going to separate it into two braids on both sides. Of course, we're going to be doing a more simple braid. So just take the hair into 3 sections and braiding it all the way down, finishing it with an elastic at the ends, and then pulling it apart so we get a bit of a thicker braid, and making sure we do it on both sides for a nice even look for the scarecrow. Now once you have finished that with another elastic and pulled it apart, finish the look and complete it with an adorable hat. Of course, you can also leave out some bangs like I do, and voila, there you go, scarecrow for the day.
And that's it. That is how you create a simple, cute, and really easy scarecrow costume for the holidays. So make sure you comment in the section below if you like this video. Did you find it helpful? What other videos would you like to see? Also make sure you check out other really cute, simple, and easy Halloween tutorials on my channel in the comments below. I will link the product and everything that I have and every other link that I can think of. So make sure you also remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get more videos like this. Thank you once again for listening to this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I can't wait to see you on other social media platforms and on other videos here on YouTube. So thank you once again for joining me on today's video, and happy Halloween!